Welcome, curious minds. Today, we're embarking on a deep dive into this really fascinating world where artificial intelligence meets software automation. Tech leaders are facing immense pressure, right? Innovate faster, slash costs. So our mission here is to quickly pull out the key nuggets from a strategic guide on how AI isn't just an option anymore. It's really becoming the critical path forward.
Yeah, what's really compelling about this guide, I think, is how it cuts through all the buzzwords. It gives CTOs and CIOs a clear, actionable path to, drive real innovation and seriously reduce those operational costs. We're going to zero in on the tangible benefits and maybe the strategic steps you need for integrating AI effectively at scale.
Okay, right. Let's unpack this a bit. We're talking about quite a significant evolution here, moving beyond that old traditional sort of static automation to something much more dynamic, intelligent, and honestly pretty revolutionary. We've all seen automation speed things up, haven't we? Like QA with test automation, streamlining deployments in DevOps. That's standard now. But the thing that really jumped out at me in this guide is how AI integration becomes the actual game changer.
Absolutely. And building on that idea of a game changer, it's the direct integration of specific AI capabilities that elevates automation. We're talking machine learning, computer vision. These things take it beyond simple scripts. It unlocks possibilities that, frankly, were kind of unimaginable before. Systems that can almost think and adapt on the fly.
Okay, and this is where it gets genuinely fascinating, I think. Get this. Natural language scripting. The source highlights AI assistants, and it specifically mentions ZAPTEST Copilot that can generate and even optimize complex scripts just from plain English.
Right.
Imagine just telling a system, maybe automate our new customer onboarding flow, account creation to the first purchase confirmation, and it just generates robust, testable code instantly. That's the leap we're seeing, even for non-coders.
That kind of capability, it just naturally raises a big question, doesn't it? What does this really mean for efficiency and maintenance? Because beyond just understanding natural language, the guide emphasizes self-healing automation.
Self-healing, okay.
Yeah, picture this. A minor UI change happens, maybe a button moves slightly. It used to break countless test scripts, right? Hours of manual fixes.
Oh, definitely. Nightmare.
Now, AI-powered automation can automatically adapt to those changes. It just massively cuts down that manual upkeep, keeps things running smoothly.
And the business benefits the guide points to are, well, quite impressive. Staggering ROI, actually. Some businesses reporting up to 10x returns.
10 times. Yeah.
That's huge. And it's not just about speed, is it? It's AI autonomously preempting issues, optimizing processes, things traditional automation just couldn't touch. It frees up those highly skilled teams from repetitive work so they can focus on, actual innovation.
And if we connect that to the bigger picture, achieving those returns often involves a strategic shift in how you license these tools. The guide suggests models like offering unlimited usage across teams. That can profoundly reduce the cost per use.
Makes sense.
It sort of democratizes access to these powerful tools across the whole organization without costs spiraling out of control.
It's also really crucial to realize this isn't just for the IT department anymore. Automation, especially supercharged by AI, is expanding way beyond just software testing. We're seeing it pop up in customer service. Think AI agents resolving complex queries.
Right.
Or finance, automating reconciliations, fraud detection, even in highly regulated areas like healthcare. AI tools are streamlining data validation and apparently can interpret business-level test plans and just automatically generate compliant scripts.
That's quite something. And for leaders looking to actually implement this, the guidance is quite practical. It suggests things like starting with mock-up testing really early in the development cycle, choosing tools that are platform agnostic, so they work across different devices, different operating systems, and crucially, setting up a testing center of excellence, or TCOE.
For governance.
Exactly, for governance, for standards. Of course, it's a journey. It requires commitment, retraining, adapting processes, but the strategic advantages seem, well, undeniably worthwhile.
So wrapping this up, what does all this mean for you listening? This deep dive really shows that AI-driven automation isn't just about doing things faster. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach efficiency, how we drive innovation, and achieve really significant cost reduction across the board.
Yeah, it really prompts us to consider, how much untapped potential for this kind of intelligent automation still exists out there. In processes we currently think need complex manual scripting, especially now with tools that can understand plain language. It really challenges those traditional assumptions about what's automatable, doesn't it?
Absolutely. We hope this deep dive into AI-driven automation has given you some valuable insights, maybe some surprising facts to think about. Until next time.